How to get free trial of NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official NanoBanana.ai website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Once you sign in, you will automatically receive 2 free credits to try out the platform. However, if you choose the Launch Now option, you don't need to sign in at all. You can directly start using NanoBanana.ai and access the free trial instantly. With these free credits, you can explore NanoBanana.ai's powerful AI tools, test different features, and get a hands-on experience before deciding whether to subscribe to a paid plan. If you want to subscribe, you can easily choose a plan from the pricing section and upgrade anytime. Subscribing gives you unlimited access to premium features and advanced tools for your project. Now you know how to get a free trial of NanoBanana.ai and enjoy its AI-powered editing tools without spending anything upfront. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.